Hello, I'm Dr. William Berger, owner and founder of Northeast Medical Practice. We are a concierge-style internal medicine, weight management, and aesthetics practice located in Great Neck, New York on Long Island. And today one of our wonderful patients is kind enough to allow us to share her procedure of receiving neurotoxin for frown lines in the glabella as well as some forehead lines. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to clean, I'm going to mark where I'm going to inject, and then we're going to inject.
Would you be kind enough to elaborate a little bit about the product you have been using?
Yes, so I have no financial association with any of the neurotoxin companies. I happen to prefer Xeomin. The reason for that is that since COVID, there seems to be some cross-reactivity between COVID antibodies, either to the virus or to the vaccine, with the two other brands of neurotoxin. So they tend not to last as long in my personal clinical experience. And so I prefer to use Xeomin because it lasts about 3 months. It also tends to work faster than some of the other brands. You see the onset of the effect more quickly.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
So when you do fillers, you see the results immediately. How long does it take to for this to take effect?
We'll begin to see the effect in about 7 to 10 days, full effect in 14 and 2 weeks.
And do you advise patients to come back if they see?
I do if there is any asymmetry, because like I said, each side of the face, it's not identical. And then we can just give a little bit of a touch-up.
And when you're looking for an injector, what qualities do you think people need to look for?
Well, I really think it's about the training. As you know, I trained one-on-one with a number of physicians who are very expert in this. And I do think that's important, as opposed to being in a group setting where you don't get hands-on and you don't get that individualized instruction.
And why is it anatomy so important?
Well, the only way to be a safe injector is to understand the anatomy well. Yeah, let me just finish up. Okay, so that concludes the treatment. How was your experience with that?
Oh, it was great. You were so gentle.
Okay,
I feel like I hardly felt it. I also feel like you took the time in the beginning to explain pros and cons and where you're gonna inject, and so it felt like I was educated going in.
Okay,
nice.
great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing. Again, we are Northeast Medical Practice. We're located in Great Neck, New York. If you'd like to reach out to the office, 516-604-3418, online at northeastmedicalpractice.com. And you can also check out our podcast on Spotify called LongevityMD, where I talk about a wide variety of health optimization concepts with other physicians, and I also give individual talks as well. But until we see each other next time, be in good health.